Hi guys, this is the Dainty Petals design from All About Scrapbooking, and it's 6x6 printed paper stock with 10 designs, 5 sheets per design. So all in all, it has a 50 sheets. Kung mapapansin nyo po, may ibang paper stock na wala po siyang dikit. Like this one, wala siyang dikit. But I believe dun sa mga susunod pa na gagawin ng Hallmark na paper stock, magkakaroon na po ng dikit na ganito para hindi po siya naghihiwa-hiwalay. So this one is the Dainty Petals, and sa tingin ko ang theme nila is yung kung mapapansin nyo, may parang color purple, green, but more on daisy design, and then light green, light purple. So tingnan po natin kung ano po yung mga design niya. This is the first design, more on daisy flowers, violet background, and then the dotted green. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then this one, green, purple, white, light green, dark purple, light purple, and white. So ayan po yung second na design. And then the third is this one, more on green. And then the fourth one, ito po, more on white but has a dotted green and purple. And then this one, dotted purple, light purple and dark purple. Ganda. And then yung susunod po is this one, striped white, purple, and green. And then this one, and then this one. Ang ganda nito, I love this one. And then it's a flower design, but sa unang tingin parang gear. And then the dotted again, but now it has a green and light green, white background. And then dotted green. Kung kanina may dotted purple, ngayon naman dotted green. So that's it. I think this is the last design that the Dainty Petals has. So watch more videos of my 6x6 paper packs from All About Scrapbooking, and this is designed by Hallmark. Thanks guys.